Hey guys, Deepak here. I just thought I'll make a video on 11 Labs. So 11 Labs recently came out with conversational AI. So 11 Labs has been in the audio space for a while. Like most of the voice cloning, the text to speech, they are the pioneers. And so far I've been using VAPI. So VAPI was like one of the main players in this whole voice AI space and the conversational AI space. But VAPI is more developer centric, wherein you bring in all your tools, you bring in the model, you bring in the voice, you bring in the prompts, and then you build this. But 11 Labs made it way easier. So let's just try this out. I'll click on go to app, and here you can see conversational agents. So I'll just click this. There's already a pre-made agent here. Let's try making a new agent. That is called, so already tried out an agent. So this agent, let's say it represents a logistics company, and it's a support agent for them, right? And they also have templates, pre-made templates. Let's pick support agent. And let's click on create agent, and let's see this getting made. So you have a lot of options here. You have multiple language options, like the most common languages in the world. Almost everything is covered here. And there's a first message as well. Let's maybe change the name, right? Like let's call it LX. Hi, I'm LX. How can I help you? Let's call the company PackageMan. How can I help you? So there is a pretty simple system prompt here. You can make it complex, and you can add it more context and more insights and tell it what to do. So let us maybe I already made I asked Claude to give a system prompt for LX, who's a customer support. So it has given me a big list. Let's just copy this and let's paste this as a system prompt, and we'll see how that works, right? Okay, so you're LX. So this is done, and you have the option of choosing the LLM as well. So in this case, Gemini 1.5 Flash is the recommended one. So apparently it's the fastest one. But I feel, so I've been using GPT-4o as well. So GPT-4o has real-time API. That is really good as well. But I feel there would be like a small time delay. Let us stick with Gemini 1.5 Flash for now. And this is the temperature. So like the higher the temperature, the more unpredictable and the more creative it can get. So let us put this at 0.6. And one more really useful feature is you can attach a knowledge base. So in this case, I do have a knowledge base. So let me have a file in a text format. So I'll just take that and attach it here. So let's add that. And it has option of tools as well. So this little thing is super powerful, right? So you can create your own webhooks and the agent will trigger the webhook whenever it requires it. So let us say you have a booking webhook, right? Like maybe you create a webhook with Calendly or Cal.com and the agent can directly book calls, or you have calendar integration and can check your time and tell it to that. Or maybe let's say there is, for an e-commerce agent, you enable it to make payments, right? Like maybe the credit card is already stored and the customer tells that they want to buy this, and this will be able to do that. So the possibilities are really wild, like once with the add tool, and maybe I'll make a video where I'll add a tool and we'll check that out. Well, so let us save. Okay, so this is done. So we can test the AI agent right here and then, and there's other options as well. So once the agent is made, you can there's an SDK and you can attach this on your website as well. I'll show that, and you have a link as well. So when you open this link, you can talk with your agent, right? So let's maybe like talk with this and see. Hey, hi there.
PackageMan, how can I help you today?
I came across your company PackageMan, and I wanted more information regarding it.
Of course, I'd be happy to tell you more about PackageMan. We're a third-party logistics provider, which means we help businesses manage their warehousing, fulfillment, and shipping operations.
Got it.
We offer a wide... Okay,
so
great.
I have an apparel company and I sell socks. Is there any way PackageMan can help me? And can you tell me about your pricing structure?
Absolutely. Apparel, especially with limited SKUs like socks, is a great fit for PackageMan. We're experts in handling high-volume, lower-value items, which is perfect for your business. We don't have a one-size-fits-all pricing structure. It depends on your specific needs, order volume, and service requirements. Would you mind telling me a little bit more about your current order volume and what kind of fulfillment services you're looking for?
Got it.
That way, I can give you a more accurate idea of our pricing. For example, are you currently fulfilling orders yourself, or are you using another 3PL?
Got it. So before that, I just want to get an approximate pricing, just so that I understand what the price range might look like.
Okay, I understand you're looking for a general idea of our pricing range first. Well, I can't give you an exact quote without more information. Here's a typical...
So yeah, this is how this entire thing is working. So I've noticed that when I'm talking, it's not stopping. So I think that these are some things that are a little buggy. I feel VAPI was really good in this terms. Like I had a lot of fine-tuned control, and when I speak, it stops and all that is there. So I think a little bit of improvement is required by 11 Labs. One more thing they have is you can embed the code on your website. So let me try doing that. So I've already embedded it on my website, on my company's website. So let's maybe check that out, how that looks. So let's go here, and this is running on localhost 1000. So yeah, as you can see, I embedded this code along with a logo as well. So I can start a call right here. Hey,
Hi there, I'm Eric. Hi there, I'm Eric from PackageMan. How can I help you today? Let me know what's on your mind, and I'll do.
So yeah, so it's basically the same thing. It has access to your knowledge base. So you can imagine a use case wherein the customer is going through some complex form, they get stuck, and you can make your help them out with your agent, like on the go. So you talk with the agent, and the agent fills in the information and stuff like that. So the use cases are insane. I think I'll be making more videos covering like how you can integrate tools and how you can add it in your workflow. So yeah, that's pretty much it.